Hello friends, welcome back to projectcontest.com. So today we are going to discuss about one of the contests from DRDO India. It is the Defense Research Development Organization of India. So DRDO is an organization where all the innovations related to the defense be happening, and all the front running innovations in India is created by DRDO. So DRDO now has launched the DRDO Dare to Dream contest, which is in the second edition, coining with the principles of one of the renowned person, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I will be sharing my screen and I explain about DRDO contest, the insights, important details related to DRDO contest, eligibility criteria, trusted areas, like that. Dear friends, this is our website projectcontest.com. And what about DRDO Dare to Dream 2020, that is 2.0 edition? So, as I said earlier, DRDO means Defense Research Development Organization of India, and Dare to Dream Challenge has been coined as a visionary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision. It's an innovation contest in surveillance of the missile man. And DRDO Dare to Dream is an open challenge to promote innovators, startups in the country. The winners will be chosen after a formal evaluation by a committee of experts. So the maximum prize amount, which is around 10 lakhs for the startup team and for 5 lakhs for the individual category. So following that, the objective of this contest is to unearth disruptive ideas and concepts in emerging technologies identified by DRDO for enhancing defense capabilities. As I said earlier, there are two categories of application. One is the individual category, where the individual who having an excellent idea in the relevant field can apply, who is above the age of 18 can apply. And in the startup category, registered startups can apply for the startup category. And as I said, who can apply individual category? He should be a citizen of India above the age of 18. And in the startup category, startups controlled by Indians and recognized by the DPIIT, that is the portal of registration of startups. You have to register there and you have to apply for this contest with the number. And DRDO has given some of the trusted areas, and which includes few of this. I will explain in directly in the DRDO website. And the contest process includes screened by domain expert committee, and shortlisting and ranking by independent expert committee will be taken care in the DRDO contest. And the application procedure has been given here. Application is in the online mode. Application should be submitted by as an individual or startup category. A person with a startup can apply as an individual as well as a startup you can apply. Select the challenges for which you are going to apply should be given. An individual or startup can apply for more than 5 given areas, and you have to give a 200-word description for each selected challenge, along with attachments like PDF you can give up to a 2 MB size. So this is all the basic information, and if you click the direct website of DRDO, that is Dare to Dream website, you will get this page where they given few of the details, like the award category. The individual will get the first prize of up to 5 lakhs and startup up to 10 lakhs. In the second prize, the individual get 4 lakh rupees and startup up to 8 lakh rupees. And third prize, the individual will get up to 3 lakh rupees and startup up to 6 lakhs rupees. And the important dates as of now, the closing date of the registration will be around 15th August 2020. You can check this. If you have any further extension, you can check in the website. Few of the sample trusted areas of the contest includes armament technology, electronic technology, micro technology and cyber technology, naval technology, system modeling and analysis, life science technology, aeronautical technology, aerospace engineering. So to know about the elaborate about the trusted areas, few of the extended list of areas for challenges. The first one is detection and classification of low probability of intercept radar signals for electronic support systems. Second one, materials and technologies for fire suppression or protection, eco-friendly explosive waste management, artificial intelligence-based detection of a person based on physiological parameters. development of robotic arm for scooping, machining of curd, solid propellant, development of neuromorphic vision sensors, underwater MEMS, acoustic vector sensor, disruptive fiber optic sensor, interrogator, data-driven health monitoring and early warning diagnostic tools for aero gas turbine engines, low-powered threaded UAV, and in the final open category, exploring the unthinkable and unimaginable. You can submit your other ideas in this open category area. This is about the trusted areas of DRDO contest. So in the registration column, you can register here by clicking the page here registration, and you can register as an individual in this category. Only one registration when individual is allowed. And the startup category, you can register in the startup category. You will get a OTP and registration ID in your mail ID. You can register there, and you have to log in again and to register in this portal. So dear friends, this is about the DRDO contest I want to share with you all. This is one of the important contests organized in India, the second edition, and those who are very interested in defense related activities who are working in the innovation related to defense can apply for this contest. So hope you understand about DRDO Dare to Dream 2.0. I hope few of our viewers will be the winners of this contest. Subscribe and share for various related innovation related updates. Thank you for watching the video.